Hello and welcome back to the £10 to £1,000 Forex trading challenge. We're back with another episode. Today's video, I've actually already taken one trade today, which I'm going to go through in a minute. The account is in profit this week so far, and we did actually end the last episode on around £139. Quickly pop up a screenshot of the account balance before this week. We've actually been careful in the markets this week. As you know, probably the elections have been going on, UK lockdown, the markets are quite volatile. They've been making some huge wicks. As you see on GJ here, we have this 106 pip wick on this bearish candle here. But yeah, the trade I actually took today was on GJ, so pound yen. As you probably see from here, we were in a nice downtrend. Obviously, everyone draws their trend lines different. Some people do it from the bodies, some people do it from all the wicks. So if we're doing it like that, we have this trend line down here. As you see, it touched it multiple times, came back. But what actually happened with this trend line, it made this little support down here, which it couldn't actually really break below. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, you could count that as another one, but I'd say we had 4 rejections of like closes above this support down here. This was last week. Price was trading sideways at this point in the markets. Price was ranging around 100 pips in this range around here, but as you see, it actually started getting smaller and started condensing, and that's when you know that a bigger move is going to happen. The longer the amount of time the price is consolidating for, the bigger the move, from what I found in my trading. We did actually have a break of this downwards trend, broke up to the upside, came down for a retest and pushed back up. But on this level here, we didn't actually manage to create new highs. As you see, we've got this area around here, a bit bigger than that. We've had rejections here before as a support, and as you see here, it's held as a resistance. So in the last few days, we've actually seen price come up, reject it, come up, and obviously you've rejected it again, and we've got a nice, you could say it's a doji or a spinning top on this candle here. And as you see, we've decided to pull down again. I'm actually looking for price to move down to here long term. Obviously depends on all the fundamentals at the moment which are coming out with the lockdown, coronavirus and all that. So if we move on to lower time frames to show you the trade I took, what we saw was price was actually starting to create lower highs around this area, moving down here. Price was moving up like this, and you know, when I saw this, it was condensing, and when I saw price break this level here, I actually went onto lower time frames. I actually went onto the 30-minute time frame, and I did enter a short position. So as you see here though, we had the break, the retest and the push back down, and as you see, price has actually been in an uptrend from this point of consolidation down here. So we did actually have this doji here, which signals a change of direction. So what we had was this trade right here, which we entered. We did have stops around 145, so just above these highs here. Take profit was around down to these lows down here, but we didn't ever reach them, and we did actually end up closing out this trade quite early. As you see, price didn't even come and hit the stop loss. It's still coming down now, but I think after this level here, as you see, this level here was an area of support back here, and even back here, which has been tested multiple times as a resistance and as a support. And yeah, once we broke above this and started retesting it and pushing back up, I knew that there was no point in keeping the trade open. So a few of my trades closed in profit and a few of them closed in loss. But grand total today, we are actually profitable by £12.35. Now the account is on £151. You can see that there. I'll quickly show you that it is a live account. We'll cover the name. But as you can see, yellow, which means it is a live Forex account. I just looked at my trades and we did actually enter around this area here. So yeah, we actually caught it on this wick up here. So we were actually in profit at one point, around 30 pips or so. And as you see, price is actually coming down to the entry now. After actually pushing up a pip or so away from my stop loss. Yeah, we could have held this trade longer. As you see, it has kept this downwards trend, creating lower highs, although we did breach this level here, so price we could see a break off this level down here now and another push to the upside to this resistance up here. So yeah, we'll see what price does. Obviously react to the price, but yeah, you're meant to trade what you see, not what you think. Even if I thought the pound yen was going to sell off now and then it started creating bullish engulfings and breaking downwards trend lines, obviously I'm going to adjust and go long on that. But yeah, it's all about adjusting to the charts and how it happens and how you see it happening. Make sure you follow my Instagram, it's on the screen now. But yeah, make sure also to join my VIP, message me on Instagram and I'll sort you out with that. I share all my trades, analysis, there's some videos in there as well, weekly outlooks and stuff. So yeah, make sure you get involved with that. But yeah, it is Friday now, so it is the end of the week. So obviously we'll see maybe next week, find some more trades and see what's going on in the markets. But yeah, that's all I've got for this week in the £10 to £1,000 challenge. And I'll catch up with you again next week.